How to buy real estate leads that convert with AI, a complete guide. AnyBiz. In the competitive real estate industry, securing quality leads is crucial for agents aiming to expand their client base and close deals efficiently. Buying leads frees up agents to focus on converting prospects, ensuring a steady revenue stream. Purchasing real estate leads helps agents overcome the challenge of generating high-quality prospects. It saves time, allowing them to focus on closing deals and increasing profits. Pre-qualified leads from reputable sources enhance conversion rates and prioritize revenue-generating activities. AI technology further improves lead quality by analyzing data to identify potential clients and personalizing outreach. This boosts engagement and efficiency, ultimately growing the client base. AI enhances lead conversion by analyzing data to identify high-potential leads based on browsing behavior, preferences, and demographics. This targeted approach allows agents to focus on quality leads, increasing engagement and closing rates. Additionally, AI enables personalized outreach, tailoring communications to each lead's needs and ensuring automated follow-ups to maintain active conversations and high engagement levels. AI improves real estate engagement by managing interactions across platforms such as email, social media, and SMS. Tools like AnyBiz automate outreach, ensuring agents connect with leads at their most active touchpoints, providing a cohesive and trustworthy experience. AnyBiz excels in lead generation for real estate agents by using AI to deliver high-quality leads and improve conversion rates. With 24/7 AI sales agents, AnyBiz continuously engages prospects across multiple channels, maximizing visibility. It offers personalized lead scoring to help agents prioritize high-potential prospects and integrates seamlessly with CRM systems like HubSpot. AnyBiz also warms up domains for better email deliverability and identifies companies visiting your website for targeted outreach, enhancing engagement efficiency. With these tailored benefits, AnyBiz is the ideal platform for agents seeking high-quality leads, maximizing ROI, and growing their client base effectively. The cost of real estate leads varies based on lead quality, location, and targeting, typically ranging from $20 to $50 for basic leads and $100 or more for high-quality targeted leads. AI-driven platforms like AnyBiz improve lead quality and conversion efficiency, offering better ROI by prioritizing high-quality prospects and reducing reliance on lower-quality leads. When evaluating lead pricing, agents should assess conversion rates, quality guarantees, and the cost versus revenue generated from closed deals to determine the value of their investment. Beyond AnyBiz, there are several platforms for purchasing real estate leads, each with unique features and limitations. Key options include Zillow Premier Agent, Realtor.com, Bold Leads, Market Leader, and REDX. Zillow Premier Agent connects agents with buyers and sellers through Zillow's extensive user base. Agents can advertise alongside listings, manage leads with a built-in CRM, and use the mobile app for on-the-go communication. The Connections feature matches agents with leads based on location and preferences. Realtor.com connects agents with buyers and sellers, providing tools to capture and convert leads. Its local expert program boosts visibility in specific zip codes, while lead generation tools deliver real-time prospects. The platform integrates with various CRMs for efficient lead management and offers market snapshot reports for custom market insights, enhancing agent credibility. Market Leader is a lead generation platform that offers website creation, CRM, and lead buying services for agents. It enables lead purchases, personalized website development with REDX integration, and automated lead management. The platform also provides marketing automation tools for email campaigns and newsletters to boost brand visibility. REDX specializes in generating leads from expired listings, FSBOs, pre-foreclosures, and geo-leads for niche market agents. It offers geo-lead targeting, a dialer system for efficient cold calling, and ensures data accuracy for effective outreach. Selecting the right platform for real estate leads is crucial. Prioritize lead quality, targeting capabilities, and effectiveness. Look for AI features and automation to streamline generation and follow-up. AnyBiz stands out with advanced AI technology, premium lead targeting, and multi-channel outreach, offering high-quality leads at competitive prices and seamless CRM integration for improved efficiency. If you found value in this, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to keep up with our future releases. Your support keeps us going strong.